In this video, you will learn how to draw walls in AutoCAD and dimension them. Let's change drawing units from the drawing utilities to architectural and precision 1/8. Say OK. And then draw lines. Make sure you have the layers with the different line widths. And let's start drawing. You can draw lines 2 different ways or 3 different ways. Click or aim it and type the length, or you can give the length and the direction like this. Maybe easier in this case. Now use offset tool, and I am making 6 inches thick walls, and then use fillet. Make sure the radius is 0 and select 2 walls so that they meet and make a corner. Okay. Then let's go to annotate to open the dimension tool, and let's change the name, the standard to 1150, and modify this. And here the color red because that's the thinnest line, and then the rest actually you can leave it as is by block, and then extension line red, and baseline spacing 2 inches, extension beyond dim 2 inches, and then the mark arrowhead head will be architectural tick, and then text. Let's make it based on the thickness of the wall being 6 inches. 5 inches would work fine, and here vertical above the dim line, and then let's see, I think extension beyond the line is 2 inches. In primary unit should be architectural, and 8-inch accuracy. That's it, and let's try. Looks good. And then vertical line, the 16 should be above the dim line, so go back to the text aligned with the dimension line. That's it.